Crushing debt. How to escape the financial trap and achieve debt-free living. Hello, in this video, we'll guide you through practical strategies and expert tips to help you break free from the shackles of debt and achieve a life of financial freedom. I'm Tom, your guide to debt-free living. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck, burdened by overwhelming debt? It's time to take control of your financial situation. In this video, we'll reveal the secrets to crushing debt and achieving a debt-free life. Get ready to embark on a transformative journey that will set you on the path to financial freedom. Understanding your debt. The first step to freedom. To overcome debt, you must first understand it. We'll help you assess your debt situation by creating a comprehensive list of all your debts, including credit cards, student loans, and personal loans. Gain insights into interest rates, minimum payments, and total outstanding balances. Creating a debt repayment plan. Once you have a clear picture of your debt, it's time to create a debt repayment plan. We'll discuss popular strategies such as the debt snowball and debt avalanche methods. Learn how to prioritize your debts, allocate resources, and develop a realistic plan to pay off your balances systematically. Slashing expenses and increasing income. Accelerating your debt repayment requires a combination of reducing expenses and increasing your income. We'll explore practical ways to slash unnecessary expenses, create a budget, and live frugally without sacrificing your quality of life. Additionally, we'll discuss side hustles and creative ways to boost your income. Negotiating with creditors and exploring debt relief options. If your debt is overwhelming, it's essential to explore options for negotiating with creditors or seeking debt relief. We'll provide tips on negotiating lower interest rates, payment plans, and debt settlement. Additionally, we'll touch upon debt consolidation, debt management programs, and bankruptcy as potential solutions. Building healthy financial habits. Breaking free from debt is not just about eliminating balances. It's also about building healthy financial habits. We'll discuss strategies for effective budgeting, saving, and responsible credit card usage. Learn how to develop a long-term mindset that will prevent future debt and promote financial stability. Staying motivated on your debt-free journey. Paying off debt can be a long and challenging process. We'll share tips on staying motivated and focused throughout your debt-free journey. Discover the power of tracking your progress, celebrating milestones, and finding support within a community of like-minded individuals pursuing debt-free living. Life after debt. Embracing financial freedom. Congratulations! You've successfully crushed your debt and achieved financial freedom. We'll discuss the next steps in your journey, such as building an emergency fund, investing, and setting new financial goals. Explore the endless possibilities that await you now that you're free from the burdens of debt. You now have the knowledge and strategies to crush your debt and achieve a life of financial freedom. Remember, it's a journey that requires determination, discipline, and perseverance. Start implementing these strategies today and take control of your financial future. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with others who are eager to break free from debt and achieve financial freedom. Together, we can create a community of individuals committed to living a debt-free life. The information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Always. Thanks for watching.